Good day mga kusina, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Chef Herbert Sophia, and on this vlog, join me as I show you the beautiful summer weather here in Helsinki, Finland. So starting from that, meron tayong papakita different kind of foods this summer that they offer here in Kauppatoori area. Okay mga kusina, so today, dito tayo ngayon sa Kauppatoori. So today, merong event dito sa Helsinki, Finland, which is the Car Show 2025. Kaya eto, nag-start na sila. Wow! Ang ganda niya, look at this. Really red ang color. Of course, this is a vintage cars. Ayan sila ngayon, they are having a parade. Ayan, mga pinapa-detour ang mga other kotse. But eto, tingnan nyo. Oh my God, napakaganda. Ayan, oh. Wow. And we are here in Helsinki, Finland, guys. Eto ngayon ang event, kaya panoodin nyo, napakaganda. Iba't ibang mga kotse. Ayan. Very vintage. Of course, mamaya pupuntahan natin kung saan sila mag-i-stop. Wow! Galing, oh. Ganda. Oh my God. Ito. Ito po, oh. What's up? Alright. Ganda, oh. Ganda, grabe. Ito, medyo masculine dito. Ito, gusto ko. Ayan. Nice. Ang ganda. Wow. Fast and loud. Woo! Good. Ang ganda ng kotse. Grabe. Ayan, oh. Nice. Looking good. Ito pa, ang haba ng mga car show dito ngayon. Ayan, oh. Nice, oh. Look at that mugs. Grabe. Ayan. Ito naman, Wrangler. Oh, wow. Galing. Wow, ang galing. Ito pa, sunod-sunod sila. Ayan, ang dami pa nito. Woo! Nice color. Galing. Very vintage. Ayan, oh. Wow. Botelli. Moy. Ganda, oh. Moy. Wow. Look at that. Woo! Look at the engine. Grabe. Nice. Cool. Make it wild. Boom. Nice. Look at that. Moy. Kitos. Ayan, grabe. Tuloy-tuloy tayo. Ang gaganda ng kotse. Kakaiba. Eto pa, oh. Ayan, oh. Las Vegas, Big Cheese. So, etong car show na to will end like 2 days. And iba't ibang parte ng mundo ang pinanggalingan nito. Ito, 100% is American car. So, John Garage, Las Vegas Airport Services. Ayan, grabe. Ang ganda. Ang haba pa yan, no? Yeah, at the moment, medyo traffic siya. Ayan. Alright. So, ikot muna natin sa ating mga kakusina. Nag-i-enjoy ba kayo? Ayan. Mamaya, marami tayong papakita kasi it's a beautiful weather. So, nasa 18 degrees Celsius ngayon. It's May 24. Ayan. Dire-diretso, show it to you again. Ayan. Yan, galing. Ganda, oh. Nice color, ayan, oh, kulay blue. So, it's a Dodge car. Ang ganda, grabe. Ayan. Oh, kotse ni Night Rider ba yan? Nice color, dilaw moy. Eto, ang ganda. Look at that, Laya. Wow, Ford. Nice car. Look at that. Mga 1950s Ford to. Ayan, oh. Ito, look at that, oh. Ayan ang pick up before, or sorry, like a long car. Ayan. Ganda. Classic cars. Ayan, oh. Classic cars. Ang galing. Ganda. Ayan, oh. Moy. Ihana. Ang ganda ng kotse, grabe. Ayan, oh. Look at that. Ayan. Ito pa isa. Nice one. Ang ganda, grabe. Recording tayo, tuloy-tuloy, naka-break. So again, nandito tayo sa Helsinki, Finland. Tuloy-tuloy tayo. Ayan, grabe. Ang gaganda ng kotse. This is a blue one, Monterey siya. But let's see kung anong brand. Wow. Ayan, oh. Monterey ang tatak niya eh. But this one, ayan, oh, Mercury. Wow, red na red. Ayan ang mga masarap sakyan, no? Ayan, ang dami nila. Ayan, nagliliparan yung mga ibon kasi this is the ferry side, mga kakusina. Ayan. Ang galing. Eto naman, ang galing. Chevrolet siya. Wow, ang ganda, oh. Wow. Impala, wow. Chevrolet Impala, but I'm not sure what year. Ang ganda, grabe. Look at this. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda. Ihana. Good. Woo! Look at that. Ang ganda, grabe. Eto pa isa, oh. Nice. Look at that. Ang ganda. Saktong-sakto yung pagpunta natin dito sa Helsinki. Boy. Ihana, Kitos. Woo! Wow, look at that. It's junk na pero ang ganda, grabe. Woo! Pamatay, ayan, oh, nakadikit na. Nice. Ang ganda, grabe. Sakto-sakto. Sakto yung timing natin. Kasi we're about to have some lunch at the moment. So, ayan. Ayan, oh, grabe. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng kulay. Ito, is like Bonneville again. Grabe. So, these cars came from different countries, mga kakusina. So, ayan, pinapakita natin. And then, they're gonna jump up sa Mesokeskus, I think, tomorrow. But, it's good that we see it now kasi tomorrow sa Mesokeskus dito sa Finland. So, lahat sila magsasama-sama. But, you need to pay an entrance fee. I think 50 euro just to see these cars. Talagang in your eyes and pwede mong hawakan. But ngayon, nandito tayo sa parade, kaya we are lucky. And ngayon mga kakusina, ito medyo pa modern na iba, but this was, look at this color, talagang, oh, ayan, oh, mugs pa lang. Ayan, grabe. Nice. Yan na, galing. Ganda ng kotse. Wow. Hindi sila makabante kasi it's like katawid yung mga tao. Ayan, and then there's police, but 100% ang ganda ng kulay nito. Ayan. So, mamaya mga kakusina, tatawid tayo dun sa kabila at kakain tayo. Papakita ko sa inyo yung iba't ibang mga pagkain dito sa summer area, Kaupatori, dito sa Helsinki, Finland. Ito, ang galing, oh. Ayan, oh. Ganda, grabe. Ito pa isa. Ayan, oh. Nice. Ayan si Lola, oh. Ihana. Woo! Rock and roll. Ito pa iba, oh. Ganda, oh. Nice. Nice one. Ganda niya, grabe, no? Ganda. Moy. Ganda, oh. Look at this. Ayan, modern na to. Nice one. Galing, grabe. Galing. Ayan, oh. Wow, ito medyo converted. Boy. Ginawa niyang pick-up, grabe, ayan, oh. Makikita niyo ang daming tao. Ito, looks rugged. Oh my God. Nice. Ganda, oh. Ganda, grabe. Ayan, galing. Nice one. Look at that car. Galing. Ang dami, grabe. Ang haba pa nito. But it's good. Para makita nyo, nandito tayo ngayon again. Para sa mga bagong joiners, nandito tayo sa Helsinki, Finland. Ayan. Car Show 2025. Then, I'm Chef Herbie. Tara, tuloy-tuloy tayo sa pag-vlog. And I'll show you this one. Ang haba pa nito. Kaya tara, let's rock and roll. Ayan. Grabe, oh. Ang daming tao. Grabe. Ayan, tuloy-tuloy na sila. Ayos. Ang gaganda na ito. Ihana. Ito, Imperial. Not sure kung anong kotse, pero ang ganda, grabe. Ihana. Woo! Itos. Imperial car, grabe. Ang ganda. Ito naman, Ford pickup. Ihana. Galing. Boy. Grabe, oh. Galaxy. Ito, Pontiac. Wow, ang ganda. Nice car. Nice car. Yeah, Catalina, grabe. Ang ganda. Superb. Grabe. Wow. Ito naman, sumingit na lang to. But dito tayo ngayon ulit. Balik tayo sa mga classic cars. So, this one is like Buick. Yeah, first time ko nakakita ng brand na to. Ayan. Ang ganda. Grabe, ayan, oh. Nice. Nice mugs, grabe, oh. Woo! Ganda, grabe. Tsaka really lowered, nakita mo, oh. That it goes up? No. It has? Ganda, grabe. Wow! Ayan, oh. Riviera. Ganda, grabe. Ganda. Nice one. Ihana. Nice one. Eto, Plymouth na lang to. Talagang pag hilig nyo kotse, eto, panoodin nyo. Ayan, grabe. Ang gaganda. Ito, Ford to. 100%. Wow. Na-preserve nila. Grabe. Ayan, oh. Na-preserve nila. Grabe ang mga kotse. Nakakatuwa. Ayan. Tuloy-tuloy tayo. Ang haba pa nito hanggang doon. While everybody is like detouring, kotse, tram, lahat to naka-detour. Kasi padiretso sila doon. Doon po yung White Church. So, mamaya pupuntahan natin yan. Ayan. Ang haba pa nito, kaya tuloy-tuloy tayo. Sakto. Medyo nagugutom na ako. Actually, it's a lunchtime. It's almost like 12 o'clock. So, tara. So, alright mga kakusina, so order na tayo ngayon ng lunchtime natin. So, ang ganda ng mga ino-offer nila. So, meron silang reindeer hotdog dito. Ayan, titikman natin yan. At saka itong double platter, which is 16 euro. So, ito naman, reindeer hotdog is 7 euro. Ayan. So, doon nila linuluto yung venda. So, it's like a small fishes. Ayan. Ganda. Pati yung salmon. Wow. Magkakakain lang natin ng salmon, kaya we're gonna order something new. Alright. Okay, so next na tayo. Ayan. So, Laya, ano yung order mo?
Reindeer hot dog.
Okay, reindeer hotdog kay Laya. Ayan. Moy. Ayun. Moy. Hello. Hi, Laya.
Can I have a reindeer hot dog? Yes.
Reindeer hotdog kay Laya. Okay, for me, I wanna order like this double meat platter. Yeah. So what goes with that? What?
Double meat platter.
Yes.
And hot dog.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Anything else?
No, that's it. Yeah. All right, so we ordered that one. So it goes with the mixed veggie. Alright.
Yeah. Vegetables.
Wow.
Yeah.
And it goes with the potato as well.
Yeah.
Ayan. So double meat platter yung in-order natin. Wow. Nasa, it's like a plate siya, and then medyo mainit, and then but it's not so reindeer hot dog for her.
Could you follow me, please?
Yes. All right.
Do you want some lingonberry jam?
Yes. I want to try it so I can vlog it. All right. What is that?
It's meatballs.
Meatballs.
Moose meatballs.
Moose meatballs. All right. So what else goes with that? All right. It goes with the reindeer hot dog.
Yeah.
Oh, so we're going to have the same hot dog, Laya. Ihana. All right.
Ketchup, mustard,
Okay.
mayonnaise, cucumber relish,
Okay.
ketchup and mayonnaise.
So it goes with that. This is the reindeer sausage. Ayan. Grabe. Ihana.
And would you like some spring onion or some
Wow.
dried onion? Okay.
Alright, so dito na tayo. So this is the double meat. Ayan, so meron siyang
To pay by card or cash?
card. Kortia. Yo. Ayan na. So pay with card.
23 euros.
Alright. Kitos. So, Laya, sit there. So what we ordered is like this one is a double meat. Meron siyang meatballs and lingonberry jam. And wow, there's the Yafa. Alright, that's for Laya. And this is the reindeer hot dog. Wow. So all in all, here in Kaupatori, it's like 26 euro. Yeah, 26 euro included na tong drinks. Ayan. So, tara, let's eat. Ayos.
That would be 7 euros.
So, alright mga kakusina. So, ngayon is lunchtime na. Bago tayo manood or continue sa car show, so, kumain muna tayo. So, what I have here is like potato, baby potatoes. Then, meron tayong in-order natin is double meat. So, meatballs, reindeer meatballs. And then, this is like a reindeer sausage. Kaya, I'm really interested with this. It goes with the veggie and of course, itong lingonberry. So, it's kind of weird. Like meaty and sausagey and then merong lingonberry, something to refresh your mouth. Then, Laya ordered this one. Yan, ang mabibili nyo sa Kaupatori. This is like the reindeer hot dog. Wow. In a bun. So, ayan siya. So, let's start with this muna. Alright. Ayan siya. Makikita nyo. Wow. Ang ganda. Grabe. Ayan, oh. Yeah. So, let's try na. So, it goes with mayonnaise, ketchup, fried onion, and then spring onion. Ayan, grabe. Ang sarap. Ayan, no? Wow. Reindeer hotdog. Kain tayo. Ayan. Yummy. Nandoon. And then, of course, hindi normal itong reindeer. So, ayan siya. Ang sarap niya, grabe. So, very meaty. And then, hindi siya maanggo. So, like eating a goat or kambing. But, one more. I'm gonna buy one more of this. Grabe. Solid. Then, try tayo nito. So, kanina, yung reindeer hotdog, nasa bun. Pero ito naman, ayan, ang liit lang ng hotdog or payat, pero ang haba niya, ayan. Tikman natin. The plain is that muna. Kung titingnan mo, ayan, no? It's juicy. Ayan. And then, saktong-sakto, of course, sausage ito. Ang sarap, hindi siya maalat, hindi siya gaano manghang rin. But, okay, let's try the meatballs naman. Ito. Let's mash it up with the, ayan, with lingonberry. Ayan. Let's go. And cheers. Ayan. So, reindeer meatballs with lingonberry. Ayan. Tara. Kain tayo. Ang sarap. Not dry. Juicy yung loob. It looks like dry pero sa labas. Pero ayan. Bursting. Very meaty. not so much spices, but ayan. Continue tayo. I have here baby potatoes. Ayan. Tikman natin. Kain tayo. Medyo ang dami nating kotseng makikita. Natuloy-tuloy tayo after our quick lunch here. And then, dire-diretso tayo. Dito ito again sa Kauppatorie in Helsinki, Finland. So it's a car show, classic car shows. Kaya tara, kumain tayo and let's enjoy this day.